What if one day humans slowly began to lose the ability to make decisions, not suddenly, not dramatically, but gradually? Almost unnoticed at first, it feels convenient. Navigation apps choose the route, algorithms suggest videos, apps decide what to buy. You no longer think, you simply agree food choices. Music, movies, clothes, everything is decided for you. Then it goes further. Algorithms suggest who to talk to, where to work, when to rest. Every decision becomes a recommendation, and every recommendation becomes a rule the brain adapts. It stops choosing and starts confirming. You begin to feel anxious when you have to decide something on your own, even simple questions. Where to go or what to say cause mental paralysis. People start asking more often, what is right, what is better, what should I choose? The answer is always there. But it is not yours. Mistakes become rarer, but experience disappears with them without mistakes. The brain stops learning, decisions become safe, predictable, identical. People start living similar lives, following the same scripts. Careers are chosen by ratings, relationships by compatibility scores, friends by algorithms. But when something unexpected happens, something no system predicted, the system does not know what to do, and neither does the human. Crises become more dangerous. Because no one knows how to choose under uncertainty, responsibility fades. It is easy to say, this is what was recommended. But with responsibility, the sense of control over life disappears. People feel empty. Even when everything works perfectly, a new skill appears. Following, but the old one disappears. Deciding freedom still exists in theory, but almost no one uses it in practice. And then the question appears, if you no longer make decisions, who is actually living your life?